In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Surfshark on all your devices. We'll keep things simple and quick, starting on one device and then repeating the process across the rest of your tech so you stay protected everywhere you go. Begin on whichever device you use most, like your phone or laptop. Create your account by following the on-screen prompts on Surfshark's website or in the app. Choose the plan that suits you, set a strong password, and make sure you store it somewhere secure. Keep your login details private because you'll use the same credentials on every device you connect. Once your account is ready, download the Surfshark app for that device from the official App Store or the Surfshark website. Installing from trusted sources ensures you get the latest, safest version. Open the app, sign in with your new credentials, and you'll land on the main screen with the option to connect. You can tap Quick Connect to let Surfshark pick the fastest server automatically or manually choose a country if you need a specific location. Nearby servers typically give you the best speeds. Distant servers are great for accessing region-specific content. After you connect, your internet traffic on that device is encrypted and routed through the VPN. Now, move to your next device. This could be a second phone, a tablet, or a computer. Download the Surfshark app the same way, open it, and log in using the exact same account you created earlier. There's no need to make a new account. Surfshark supports multiple devices under one subscription. Connect to any server you prefer. If you want all your devices to appear from the same location, pick the same country or city on each one. If you want variety, choose different servers based on what you're doing, like streaming, browsing, or traveling. Repeat this process on each device you own until you've covered them all. Surfshark allows connections on many devices under one account, so you can protect laptops, phones, and tablets throughout your household. As you go, keep an eye on performance. If a connection feels slow, switch to a closer server or try Quick Connect. If you see a prompt about connection permissions, allow the VPN configuration so the app can protect your traffic. That's it. Create your account once, download the app on each device, log in with the same credentials, and connect to any server. With every device secured, you'll enjoy consistent privacy, encryption, and a safer online experience wherever you are.